What if I told you that right now, teenagers, freelancers, and normal people are making thousands of dollars every month just by editing videos with artificial intelligence? Imagine turning simple raw clips into viral YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, and cinematic content using AI tools, while businesses, creators, and influencers pay huge money for it. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it is true. AI video editing is becoming one of the fastest growing online businesses in America, because companies, creators, influencers, and brands constantly need high-quality videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok advertisements, and social media. But here comes the biggest question. How can someone actually start an AI video editing business in America? Let's understand the complete roadmap. First of all, you need to understand what AI video editing actually means. It means using artificial intelligence tools to edit videos faster, smarter, and more professionally. AI tools can now automatically cut scenes, add subtitles, remove background noise, generate voiceovers, create transitions, improve video quality, and even create short, viral clips within minutes. Right now, businesses in America need massive amounts of video content every single day because online attention has become one of the most valuable things in the digital world. And this is creating huge opportunities for AI video editors. The first step in starting an AI video editing business is learning modern editing tools. Today, many creators use AI-powered software for automatic editing subtitles, color correction, voice enhancement, motion graphics, and social media optimization. The good news is that many modern AI editing platforms are beginner-friendly, which means you do not need advanced filmmaking experience to start. Now, the second major step is choosing your niche because video editing is a huge industry. Some editors work with YouTubers, podcasters, businesses, gaming creators, real estate companies, fitness influencers, or e-commerce brands. Choosing one niche helps you understand what type of videos clients actually need. For example, YouTubers may need long-form videos, shorts, thumbnails, and fast editing, while e-commerce brands may need product advertisements and social media reels. Once you understand your niche, you can start offering professional editing services to creators and businesses. Now, honestly, one of the biggest challenges in this business is competition. Because thousands of people are already entering video editing, that is why creativity becomes extremely important. The people who succeed usually combine AI with storytelling, audience, psychology, sound design, pacing, and visual effects. Because AI can speed up editing, but human creativity still makes videos emotional, engaging, and viral. Many successful AI video editors in America start by building their own portfolio social media page or YouTube channel to showcase their editing skills. Once creators and businesses see high-quality work, they often hire editors for long-term projects, and this is where the business becomes powerful. Many AI video editors work on monthly contracts, meaning clients continuously pay for editing every month. That creates recurring income instead of one-time payments. Now let's talk about earning potential, because this is one of the biggest reasons people are entering this industry. Some AI video editors in America already make thousands of dollars every month through freelance editing. YouTube automation, social media agencies, brand partnerships, and online content businesses. And honestly, this industry is still growing extremely fast. Another important thing many people do not realize is that video demand is exploding across the internet. Short videos, advertisements, podcasts, YouTube content reels, and AI-generated marketing videos are growing every single year. That means businesses constantly need skilled editors who can create content quickly and professionally. But here is something important. Using AI tools alone is not enough. The people who succeed usually understand storytelling, editing, psychology trends, audience retention, and branding. Because in the modern internet world, attention is money. And honestly, this may be one of the biggest online opportunities of the modern AI era, because artificial intelligence is already changing how videos are created, edited, and consumed across America. And the people who understand AI video editing early may build massive online businesses in the future.